Hi guys, so this is a tutorial about how to go through your poster about the coronavirus. So what I actually did was I sent you this. This is a template for how you should construct your poster. And at first you will start working with the words that can help you make the poster. So what you have to do is you have to translate these words into Danish so you are quite certain that you know what they mean. So virus is pretty easy because it's actually just virus. Lungs, you know, the lungs that have inside your body that helps you breathe. You'll write that in Danish right here. You can use skoleordbogen.com to look up words so you know what they mean, and then you can use them when you have to write your own sentences for this poster. You have to fill out these, and then you have to move on because it says, "Hi guys, you will make a poster about the coronavirus and how it has influenced your life." And when we talk about influences, it's how it affects your life. Like you couldn't go to school and your family had to stay at home and stuff like that. You'll make a draft at first, so it's really important that you don't make pretty drawings to begin with. You really have to try just to make a quick drawing so you don't spend time making them all pretty to begin with, because we will do that when we have written all our sentences and we will put it in our poster. Then we will make very pretty drawings for it too. For those of you who are quite good at English, if you can, don't write the questions that I wrote to you, only write your answers. And remember to rewrite the answers so they make sense on their own. And I will try to explain that right now, because if you take a look here, it has, you can see all the questions that you have to answer. And I know some of you might answer with short sentences, and some of you can write like hundreds of pages about this, but you have to write them yourself, okay? You can ask Google in Danish if you don't know what a virus is. You can ask in Danish, "Hvad er et virus?" Or if you like to read English, you can take a look at this link just right here. You just press it and it will bring you to it will lead you to an English web page where they explain what a coronavirus is for kids, so it's easier to make any sense of. I've taken this from the link where it explains what is a virus, and the text says that a virus is a teensy tiny germ, way smaller than anything you can see. Viruses can make us sick, but they can't do anything on their own. They need to live inside another creature, well, the host, to survive. And to do that, they have to get into our cells. So from this text, I made an answer set, and I wrote, "A virus is a very little germ you can't see with your eyes. They can make us sick if they get inside a body." So that could be an answer to what is a virus. And you see, this was the question, what is a virus? And then I explain, a virus is a very little germ. So I take the question and I turn it around, so I use the question inside my answer. So I don't have to write what is a virus. I write, a virus is a very little germ you can't see with your eyes. Okay? You can try, and if it's too difficult, you just write the question and you write your answers. That's perfectly right too. Then there is something about how does this virus make you sick? What does the coronavirus look like? Here you have to make a drawing of the virus and see if you can use any words to explain how it looks. Then you have to write something about where did the virus come from. You can write the virus came from, and you probably know where it came from. Maybe you also know what kind of animal who that actually caused the germ. to spread. What happened in Denmark when the virus came to the country? What happened to the schools? What happened to the restaurants? What happened to you? Did you have to go home and stay there? And for how long? How's your school now that it has reopened? How do you feel about everything? Has anything positive happened because of the virus? Is there anything else you would like to say or write about the coronavirus? So that's your chance to write something else. Well, I hate the coronavirus because I cannot see, cannot go visit my grandparents, or whatever you like to write there, okay? So this was just a brief, short English introduction to your poster, which we will work with for the next couple of weeks. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with. See you guys. Bye.